Okay, I think let's move to the next presentation. Right now, I think Ling Zhuang is online and she's able to come out this technical glitches. So the next presentation is from Ling Zhuang, who is a product manager at Trinasolar. She's going to talk about i-TOPCon technology empowering the N-type era with robust vitality. Ling, the floor is yours.
Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hope that's clear. Yeah. Just wait a second. And I will go to start my presentation. And hello, everyone. I'm Ling Zhuang from Trinasolar. And today is really a pleasure to participate in this webinar. And my topic is i-TOPCon technology, empowering the N-type era with robust vitality. And then I will start. So actually, I separated my today's presentation into 3 parts. So firstly, I will click through our technology and product roadmap. And then we will go to the reliability topic and including the PV air ITC results. And also we're talking about the UVID test. And finally, I will share some information about the future trend and including the low carbon and also the 700 watts ecosystem about Trinasolar. So before we start, I would like to give you guys a background of that. So according to the statistics showing by the info link, it shows that the N-TOPCon technologies will take the lead in the future 5 years. So in other words, it means TOPCon technologies will also take the lead in a very long time. And also the statistic is according to the shipments of the modules and also estimated by the market share. And also in this year's NAC exhibitions, I think you guys also mentioned that the mainstream manufacturers are present mostly of the TOPCon technology roadmap of the modules. And so in other words, it shows that the TOPCon modules also a good choice for us. And then we go to the technology roadmap. So in this stage, our Trinasolar are staying at the i-TOPCon Advanced. So to improve the module efficiency, we add the several technologies like the selective emitter and also the edge passivation technology. And also the good news is in April 2024, our highest power of the self-development module, 210 millimeter wafer modules has achieved 740.6 watts. And also it breaks the watt records again. And also in the future, we want to explore the other solutions for the customers and so that we could improve the module efficiency and provide more comprehensive product portfolio for us. So in terms of the technologies, in terms of the laser-induced firing and also the edge passivation technology. So these two can help us to improve the cell efficiency separately to around 0.3% and around 0.2%. And then we move to our product outlook. So actually we separate our product into 3 different groups, and it's according to our dimension. So firstly, it's about the small format modules, and it's including our Engineer series. And in today, our highest power of the small format modules has achieved 460 watts. And also it's followed the 2 square meter extreme design and also could leading the power and efficiency. And then about the medium format modules, it's absolutely the best partner for the tracker and also the accent installation and the electrical compatibility. It's good for the customer. And the power is around 500 watts to 600 watts. And also in this year, we are good to release a new product called the anti-dust modules, and I will introduce this later. So finally, we comes to the large format modules, and it's called NG21C.20. So this kind of the product could provide ultra high power and also designed for the optimal LCOE. So I just firstly quick review our rooftop portfolio. And as I mentioned before, it contains the NG9R series. For the .28, it's just a module with the black frame, and then move to the clear black modules. It's a bifacial one, and also shows the good appearance. And then it's our popular module called full black. The CNI scenarios, we suggest the customers to choose our NG18R series. So for this kind of modules, in today, this kind of module has achieved around 710 watts, and efficiency is around 22.9%. So it's updated data for that. And also we can provide the 30-year power warranty and a 25-year product warranty. Of course, we have to do such a kind of the case study for this kind of module and compare to the P-type module. So in first year, we can see that it can add around 3% of the power generation. And then when we move to the 15 years and the 25 years, we can see that the power is adding continuously. It means we can provide the customers the more stable modules and also with the long-term payback for that. And also this kind of case study is in Spain. And then we move to the module called anti-dust module, and it's NE19R.70. So this module's power is achieved 630 watts and efficiency is 23.3%. And we could provide the product warranty for 12 years and the power warranty for 25 years. So here we can see that I show a video about the anti-dust design of the shore side. So actually the reason why we provide such a kind of the module is because we want to help the customers solve the problems. And so in other words, because the dust on the module accumulated at the bottom and will cause the dirty band. And so that it will lead our module efficiency to be low, and also the power will be decreased for that. So in order to solve such kind of the problems, we provide such a kind of the design. So actually it's optimized design on the upper side of the module, and also we provide a flush design, and also we can reduce the contact angle of the water by shortening the exposure of the frame. So to summarize, with the anti-dust design, the dust can be washed by rain and wind easily, and will not cause any shading or the power loss. And also we do such of the value assessment and compare the 72 pieces of modules and with our anti-dust modules. So I think results is clear that our anti-dust modules can provide the more efficiency, and also at more values is around 0.12 the yuan, and also the payback is around 5.85. And also according to the lifetime year comparison, so of course it can provide the more power generation after the long term. And then we move to the largest module, and in today it can achieve the 702 watts. And also the design of the modules is follow the golden design. So compared to the 182 modules, so it seems that the container utilization rate is more higher, and also the container capacity power will increase around the 60.5%. It means the container range will increase, and also the total power will increase. So that's the value we can provide for the customers. And also, according to our value assessment, is actually the project in China, and the value assessment is by SGS, and we compare it to the other modules like the 182, 78 pieces, and also the 182, 72 pieces. So the result is clear that the stream power is higher than the other. And also in terms of the BOS and the LCOE, it can help the customer to just lead the BOS saving. And also in CapEx, it will help customer with a reduction of the 0.8%, and also in LCOE is decreased about 1.49%. And also we are cooperation with the other inverter suppliers like Huawei, Sungrow, and the other suppliers. And And we have the several projects like with the medium-sized modules, the 600 watts, or our largest module with the 700 watts. And also we got the several user cases in globally of the 700 watts the modules, not only in China, but not only for the Brazil and the other areas. And then we move to the reliability topic. So I just show you guys the PVL test results of our modules, and it shows that our 210 millimeter wafer Vertex modules nominated with the top performer, and actually it's the trainer, the 10th recognition in a row, and for us, and also make us the most wins among the industry. And so that we are the top performer in all 7 tests. So to some extent, it shows our modules are the best in 4 parts like the DH2000 and TC600. And in terms of the RETC, our 210 rectangle wafer Vertex modules have wins the highest achiever, and it means it wins the good score in TC600, PID 182, and also LID test. Additionally, in the PV magazine results, our modules have shows the best score in terms of the indoor reliability test ranking. And from the list, we can see that clearly our NEG21C.20 has wins the first, and also our small size modules NEG9RC.27 has wins the third. And also this kind of test shows our modules can parse the something like the PID loss grade and also the air grade. So it's kind of the reliability test. And also compared to the other technologies, the TOPCon also the first. And another hot topic is about the UV risk. So according to this article, I think is presented by Ryan. So he mentioned the 40% of the modules test met the UVID high achiever criteria, and it means maybe 40% of modules may meet kind of the problems of the TOPCon. But actually, our test results shows that the Trinasolar TOPCon modules don't face such a kind of the problem. And according to the chart I present here, it's clear that in the UV 240, the decrease is about 1% on the backside, and also the front side is only 1.2%, and it's also far ahead of other companies in the industry and shows a good result for us. So that means the customer no need to pay attention to this kind of the problems. And then I will show the Trinasolar's the module capacity planning and also the sales. So currently, the module capacity planning is around 120 gigawatts, and for sales, we have around 105 gigawatts, and about the silicon wafer is around 60 gigawatts. And also the Trinasolar believe that in the future, maybe we can cooperate together with other PV suppliers and also manufacturers so that we could build the 700 watts ecosystem together. And also as the major player in solar industry, we think that the future trend is around the 700 watts, and also we can, let's say, to build such kind of the industry ecosystem. Additionally, the ESG development is also a hot topic for us. And also nowadays, there are so many companies that are mainly focusing on this topic. And so that we have do such kind of the things to make our products more environmental friendly. And also we will try our best to reduce the energy consumptions. So nowadays, all series of modules are achieved the CFP certificates, and also our Vertex N-type modules have won the EPD certificates, and also verified by UAir and also EPD Italy. So based on the efforts we have put in, so we have reduced the carbon dioxide emissions around 275 million tons. And it's equivalent to planting like 15 billion trees. And also the Trinasolar ranked first in the SVTC solar scorecard. And that's all for my today's presentation. And also thank you for your listening.
Okay, thank you, Ling. I think I have one question. Your anti-dust accumulation module design, is it for the residential only modules or also for the larger utility scale modules?
So currently our anti-dust module design is mainly focused on the utility side, not for the residential.
Okay, but there was also a question in the chat window that most of the utility scale projects, they are using robots. So why do you need such a design, and what is the purpose of offering for utility?
So actually, so I think that's a good question. Firstly, so I think maybe use the robot may be a good choice for us. You know that in industry, there are some PV suppliers that choose the robot cleaning, so that maybe more intelligent. But if we can do a design in our product, module side, I mean, maybe it can prevent such kind of the problems. Just start with the module end, and also to avoid the extra cost for that. So I think maybe choose the anti-dust design on the module side, maybe can achieve maybe can save more money from the cleaning robots, but just for my personal opinion.
Okay, but yeah. So what is the rationale behind not offering such technology for the rooftop where we don't use robots at all, right?
Sorry, could you please repeat your question?
Why not offer the same technology for the residential scale modules where no one uses robots?
I just double check. So you mean you want to apply the robot in the residential scenarios?
No. Why not offer this anti-dust accumulation technology for the modules used in residential segment?
I think firstly, it depends on the different situations. So for the residential scenarios, so firstly, that it depends on the specific situation. I mean, it depends on the mounting methods. So because the anti-dust design is need to combine with the install angle you choose. So maybe for the residential one, I think the angle maybe not cause such kind of the dirt band I mentioned before. But for the utility side, maybe when we combine with the tracker or other mounting methods, it may cause such kind of dirt band. So I think that's maybe the reason why we choose in the utility scenarios to apply such a kind of the design.
Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot. I think there are still some questions in the chat window. Unfortunately, I cannot discuss with you right now. So please stay back, enjoy our conference, and then answer these questions.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.